In this video, I'll show you how to optimize SuiteDash for efficient client management, covering everything you need to set it up in the best way possible to streamline your workflows. Whether you're using SuiteDash for the first time or trying to enhance your current setup, this video will give you the tools you need to get the most out of the platform. First things first, SuiteDash has a powerful dashboard that lets you manage everything in one place. When you're setting it up, make sure your dashboard reflects the most important aspects of your client management. You can prioritize the items that matter most, like recent activity, pending tasks, or client communications. This can be done by customizing your widgets, so the information you need is always right in front of you. Next, let's talk about automating workflows. This is key for keeping everything running smoothly. SuiteDash offers workflow automation that helps eliminate repetitive tasks. You can set up triggers for things like task assignments, email follow-ups, and reminders. But make sure you don't overcomplicate things. Focus on the tasks that happen most often, and you'll save a ton of time. Keep an eye on how things are running, and adjust your automations if you find they're becoming too rigid or not working as well as you hoped. Now, the third thing you should focus on is client communication. SuiteDash lets you integrate client communication right within the platform, which can save you from bouncing between different apps. The messaging system is really convenient, but you can also set up email campaigns and automated updates for clients. It's important that you stay consistent and timely with your communication, so make sure you're regularly sending updates to clients about project progress or any important changes. Having this centralized within SuiteDash keeps things organized. Another important feature is document management. With SuiteDash, you can share files, store contracts, and even set documents signing up for clients. But it's essential to keep things organized. Create folders that are easy to navigate and label them clearly. You don't want to be wasting time searching for important files. Also, using SuiteDash's client portal can make document sharing even smoother, ensuring that your clients can access everything they need in one place without you having to constantly update them. Next thing to focus on is your invoicing system. SuiteDash has built-in invoicing that you can customize for your business. You can create recurring invoices, set payment terms, and even track payments, which is awesome for client management. But be sure to keep an eye on your invoicing settings. Sometimes, clients may not be clear on the due dates or amounts, so having clear and well-organized invoices is crucial for ensuring prompt payments and avoiding confusion. The fifth thing you should think about is reporting. SuiteDash has analytics and reporting tools that help you track your client relationships, progress on projects, and even financials. You should regularly monitor these reports to get insights into how things are going and adjust accordingly. If you spot bottlenecks or areas for improvement, act on them quickly. And lastly, while SuiteDash does offer a solid suite of tools for client management, it's worth noting that it may not be the best fit for everyone. Some users have mentioned that SuiteDash's interface can be overwhelming for beginners, and some customization options are a bit limited compared to competitors. That's why I'd recommend checking out some other tools, especially for businesses looking for a more streamlined or specialized approach. Which brings us to alternatives. At the end of the day, SuiteDash might not be the perfect fit for everyone. So, before you decide, be sure to check out a few other options that are even better suited for the goal of client management optimization. I've linked to an exclusive, extended free trial for SuiteDash in the description, but I've also included some great alternatives, which also have free trials, that I think will work better for your needs. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, make sure to check it out and find the right fit for your business.